Hello everyone, it's Cleophia again and welcome to Crafting Shed. This is something quick and fun to crochet. I saw this in Instagram, but it was in leather and I thought I would try it in crochet. This is a decoration on the keychain, but you can flip it like this and it will pouch your keys so that they won't scratch other items in your purse like cell phones, sunglasses, etc. I thought this is something cool to crochet, so that's what I'm going to show you today. Now, let's get started. For the materials, I just used this leftover yarn I have. This is Capri Eco cotton yarn. This is size 4 medium weight yarn in Robin's Egg speckle color. I use size G 4mm crochet hook. And I also needed a pair of scissors and blunt needle. So leave a long tail and start with a knot and proceed with round 1. Round 1 is chain 2, 1, 2, then 10 single crochets in the first chain right here. Do 10 single crochets here. And it would now look like this. This is 10 single crochets. Then join the round with a slip stitch in the first single crochet. Tighten the tail. Pull the tail to tighten and it would now look like this. Round 2. Chain 1 single crochet in the same stitch. Then 2 single crochets in the next stitch and in each stitch around. So we will increase round 2 by doubling the number of stitches around. So round 2 will have 20 single crochets around. And it would now look like this. Then join with a slip stitch in the first single crochet. So this is how to end round 2 and this is what round 2 looks like. Round 3. Chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, and in each stitch around. So at round 3, we will not increase the round, so it will have the same number of single crochets around, 20 single crochets also just the same as round 2. And it will now look like this. Then same steps, join with a slip stitch in the first single crochet. And this is how to end round 3 and this is what it looks like. Rounds 4 to 10, just repeat round 3. So I'm going to continue my work. I'll be cutting off the video and I'll be back when I'm done with round 10. And this is what it looks like after round 10. It has now a cylindrical shape. Next, flip the piece wrong side facing out like this. So the beginning tail is out right here. With wrong side facing out, we can proceed with round 11. So round 11, chain 1, slip stitch in the next stitch, and in each stitch around. So this will be the last round, so this will give it a sturdy finish. And this is now what it looks like. So end the round with a slip stitch in the first chain 1. Then fasten off. And we can cut off the yarn at this point, and this is now what it looks like. Next step, we'll go to the beginning tail, tighten to close the gap. Then thread the beginning tail onto the blunt needle right here. Then I will first weave it to the stitches just to secure it, like this. Tighten a bit more. Then I'm just going to sew it to the opposite side right here about 1 centimeter. And then leave a loop like this. So adjust to your desired measurement of the loop. Then I'm just going to secure it some more and go here at the base of the loop. And then from here, I'm going to do knots on the loop to make it thick and sturdy also. So these are just simple knots like this. And then cover the loop with the knots all the way to the other end. Then this will be the last knot. After the last knot, just sew it to the other side like this. Then flip it, correct side facing out, like this. And then I'm just gonna weave the ends onto the stitches again to secure it. Then do the same step for the last tail. We thread it into the blunt needle and weave the ends like this. And at this point, we're done. And this is now what the piece looks like, all cleaned up and all done. So let's flip this wrong side facing out so that we can see the loop that we did right here. And then take our keys and insert the ring onto the loop, like so. So when we are using our keys, it's like this. And then when we put it in our purse, we can just pouch it like this to secure it inside and keep the other items from being scratched from these keys. If you're new to my channel, please check out my other videos. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video and please subscribe.